Hello everyone. Today I will explain you about how to create workflows in Jira. And I'll just show you a simple example. I have created a demo instance for this, and I will take you to the project settings where I can create a sample workflow for Jira projects. So for that you need to go to the dashboard and then to the Jira settings. Please note that for creating workflows and other custom data, we need to have system admin access or a site admin access. So now this is the screen where I need you to take you to the Jira settings. Then you go to issues, you go to workflows. You can create a workflow by clicking on add workflow. We'll give a sample workflow name as demo workflow. And then say add. Then this workflow screen will be displayed where it is very simple. You can just add different statuses to this workflow and transit from that status to the other. Now for example, the default this screen will have the open status. We can add more. We can have the in progress status. Click on add. We add one more status as maybe done. Please note that we can create a number of custom statuses. So now we have these statuses. Let's transit from one state to the other. You add transition. You have open. Then we have in progress, and you give the transition name for that. After that, you can see we have the transition from this status to the other one. Same thing I do it for other status, from status in progress to status done, and I'll give it as name of the transition as done. So now we can see this. Now you can also have various options like properties, triggers, conditions, validation and post functions. This I will give you the details in the next videos. Now these are the different features that gives us some features when the transition takes place from one status to the other. So you can do for all the transitions. Okay. Now I have created the workflow. Now we need to associate this workflow to our project. So let me go back to the project and I say project. I'll take my demo project and there you can see, go to project settings. In the project settings, we will go to workflow sections, and here I will associate or switch the scheme to the new one which I have created. Now you can see it's not associated here, so I go back to the Jira settings. I'll have to create a scheme for that, the workflow scheme for that. So I'll go back and go to issues, workflow schemes, add a workflow scheme. I will say demo workflow scheme and say add, and I will add the workflow to this scheme. Add workflow, demo workflow, right? Then I associate a issue type with that particular workflow and I say finish. I can see this flow is associated to this particular issue type. Now I go back. I'll create a different scheme for that. I'll associate the scheme to this project. Now you can see here we have the workflow scheme coming up and you associate. So the association takes place to this project. So please note that we can have any number of workflows associated to different issue types. So hope this was easy and you liked it. Thank you.